What's up guys, and welcome to a new video. Everyone wants to be the one who is chased for. But the sad reality is in 70 to 80% of the cases, men are chasing women instead of the other way around. But that doesn't apply to you because you are already part of this channel, so you're already working on becoming your best version possible. And if you're not subscribed to the channel so far, take a quick second and smash that like and subscribe button down below and commit yourself to become your best version possible. First of all, if you're chasing a woman, that means that she's running away from you or at least taking her distance. Otherwise guys, you will meet in the middle or she would be chasing you. And chasing a woman has actually the opposite effect that you're trying to achieve. By chasing her, you will be perceived as a way more unattractive and low value man. And who might be desperate as well. And guys, that is not what you deserve to be looked at. And that's why I created this video, to show you step by step how a woman will chase you. Those are all proven psychological hacks that will help you to achieve this goal. So the only thing that you have to do is start implementing it. Alright guys, let's hop into this video with the first way on how you can make a woman chase you. You need to put her in the friend zone. Do you think women are the only one who can put someone in the friend zone? Definitely not. Stand out from all other guys that admire her and give her constantly compliments. Put her in the friend zone and don't let her know right away that you're attracted to her. Putting someone in the friend zone has an incredible effect. They will definitely become more needy towards you. They were simply looking for attention and gratification from you. So guys, make her wonder if you're more than just friends. Number 2 guys, leave if you have to leave. Don't always have time for her. Have your own schedule and goals that you're working on. If you're always available for her, you will become way more uninteresting. She wants to hang out, cool, but first of all, check your own schedule and only make time if you really can. But if you spend time with her, let's say for a couple of hours, so you found some time in your schedule, then make sure to focus 100% on her in this time frame. So no phone or other distractions. Simply guys, just enjoy the time. It is the perfect contrast between limited attention and full attention, which will make her value the time much more that she can spend with you. I promise you guys, this will drive her crazy. Number 3 guys, focus on your own life and goals first, and women will automatically get attracted to you. There is a direct correlation between success and attraction. Guys who have a vision and goals that they are working on are way more attractive for women than, for example, lazy guys. So instead of making her or women in general the main focus of your life, focus on your life and your goals first. You will be perceived as a way more attractive man plus someone who is hard to get. And last but not least guys, be more neutral instead of always being emotionally attached. Don't be weak guys. If you already watched my video about the main difference between alpha and beta males, then you know what I'm talking about. So guys, simply don't let her think that you're dependent on her. Become more neutral and let her know that there are plenty of women who would love to get your attention. Weak men in general have a low self-esteem, that's why they take everything way too personal. And don't take, for example, a cancel date way too personal by connecting right away with your worth as a man. If you're too emotionally attached or dependent on her, you will lose. Simply guys, because you are chasing her instead of the other way around. You will simply become one of those many guys that are craving for her attention to boost their self-esteem. Instead guys, try to view it from a more neutral perspective and always know that you deserve to be chased for. And that's basically it for today's video. Those were my ways on how you can make a woman to chase you. Hopefully you found some value in this video. Share it with a friend who needs to see it. Thank you so much for watching guys. See you in the next video.